Electricians, here's a reality check that might sting a little. While you're still wiring basic outlets and fixing breakers for $150 service calls, your competitor down the street just landed a $25,000 smart home project, and the homeowner thanked them for it. The home automation market is exploding faster than a do-it-yourself electrical project gone wrong. And most electricians are sitting on the sidelines wondering why they're not getting these high-ticket jobs. I'm Leonard Parker, founder of Destiny Marketing Solutions, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to position yourself to capture these lucrative smart home projects that homeowners are practically throwing money at. And stick around to the end. I've got an expert tip that'll have you demonstrating smart home systems better than any competitor in your market. First thing to note, the home automation opportunity is exploding. Let's talk numbers that should get your attention. The US smart home market is projected to hit $80 billion by 2028. Yep, that's billion with a B. But here's what's really interesting. Homeowners want smart lights, thermostats, security, and voice control, and they prefer electricians over handyman. The catch? Only if you're visible and credible. Most installs range from $3,000 to $15,000 and up. The market favors those who educate, show their work, and package services properly. Here's the key takeaway that separates the pros from the pretenders. You don't need to sell, you just need to show up as the expert. But most electricians are doing the exact opposite. Don't just say you do smart homes, show it. And this is where most electricians completely blow it. They slap smart home services on their website like they're ordering a pizza topping, then wonder why they're not getting calls. Homeowners are looking for specific solutions, not vague claims. Create branded packages, smart home starter, security plus lighting, something that sounds intentional, not accidental, and is reflective of your brand. Use real photos of past work, hubs, panels, app screenshots, in-wall installs, and stop using stock photos of smiling families. Show your actual work. Speak in homeowner-friendly language, not electrician speak. Highlight convenience, safety, and efficiency, not just the tech specs that make your eyes light up. Smart homeowners buy benefits, not gadgets. They want to know how their life gets better, not what voltage your dimmer switch operates on. I'm going to share with you a tip that you can do right after this video, and that's how to use Facebook to find home automation buyers in your area. We're going to walk through a live Facebook local group search strategy that can generate leads without spending a fortune on ads. You'll search for groups like Your City Homeowners or Your City Home Tech Enthusiasts, Smart Home Do-It-Yourself, and so forth. Places where your ideal prospects are likely already hanging out and asking questions. I'll show you how to identify high engagement groups with 1,000 plus members that are active in the last 30 days. Then demonstrate posting a before and after automation install or starting what we call an Ask Me Anything or AMA thread. The secret is converting interests into leads using a pinned comment with your booking link. And then finally, a quick tip to boost the posts to local homeowners for just $5 to $10 per day, targeting home automation interests plus homeowners in your zip code. You don't need a big ad budget, you just need to play the visibility game the right way. So now let's take a look at those Facebook groups. The area I'm near to and I'm in quite a bit is Sugar Land, Texas. It's right outside of Houston, southwest of Houston. And you can see here they have the Sugar Land, Texas community page. And then there's also the Fort Bend County page. But let's say we did something like Sugar Land homeowners. And I'm doing this live with you, so let's see what we can find. So this is a specific group. Let's see if we see something larger here. So we have the Sugar Land network. That might be interesting. So there's 2.5K members, and then there's 2 posts a day. Then City Guide, Sugarland, Texas, 5,000 members, 8 posts a month, so probably not as active. So let's first try Sugarland Network. You see the type of posts here. So we have Hyundai dealership, a lot of car posts. Then we have people promoting golf tournaments, it looks like. Again, if you're targeting Sugarland, if you're Houston based, you could post something here in this particular group. It's more around things going on in Sugarland, but it could also be reflective of or include your target audience. We see here Bumblebee Blinds of Pearland. So they have actually posted something here. And even though this is a different industry, different service, look at what they're doing. So they're actually putting together pictures, not only of their work van, so they have a branded wrap on their van, but also images of their work. So those images and video are always going to work very well. So there's a lot of car stuff going on in here. So let's actually find another group. One that caught my eye. Maybe I saw something else there. But then you also have the Sugarland, Texas community group. So again, this looks like it's a bit more active. And this is where you can put posts of your work, or you can ask something. Has anyone ever thought about smart home automation? And maybe let's make this broader. So let's do Houston homeowners. Maybe Sugarland is a bit too specific. Let's see what we have here. So Houston area homeowners and contractors. So over 8,000 members. And we see we have different contractors here who are posting. And so what you can do, and again, this could be an opportunity. If there's no Facebook group in your area, you can create that Facebook group. So something along the lines of smart home integration or smart home automation, something with your specific service, but also your local service area. And then you can own that group and control what goes in and what goes out. And what I would suggest is invite people in your target areas. So if you know there are specific zip codes that are more likely to have the budget and the interest in smart home technology, and then invite them to the group, and then also invite other partners, home builders and other partners that you work with now. That could be a great way to be the thought leader in your area and own the group itself. But the point here, you want to post something, have some type of visibility where people congregate. That could be Facebook, that could be Reddit, that could be Nextdoor, and then find a way to pay for extra visibility on that platform. So with Facebook and Meta, Instagram, you can do promoted posts. So like I said, $5 to $10 a day will get the job done, especially when you're so hyper local. So with that, I'm going to click back over here to my slide presentation. And I already mentioned this. We all actually saw the example with the Bees Blinds company where they are showcasing projects, and you want to have that before and after approach to any images or video with your creative that you're sharing in these forums and groups. This is where you separate yourself from every other electrician posting pictures of their lunch. Post walkthrough videos showing how lighting or scenes work on mobile devices. Highlight the transformation. Before, 4 switches, after, all voice controlled. Add captions that walk viewers through the benefit, not just the tech. Tag smart home brands and use local hashtags. Position it as luxury meets convenience, not I install some switches. Here's what most people miss. People buy what they can see, not just what they read. When someone watches your video of a homeowner saying, Alexa, movie time, and the lights dim, the shades close, and the TV turns on, that's when they start reaching for their wallet, because it's not just the logical, you're not getting to their brain, but it's, oh wow, that was amazing. Think about that when you're putting out content, images, video online, whether it's your website or on social media. How can you tug at those emotional triggers. Next, you want to get found for what homeowners actually search. This is basic stuff that most electricians mess up completely. You want to target keywords like smart light installer, blank your city, or install Ring doorbell, what people actually type into Google. Include service pages for each core product: security, lighting, thermostats. Use Google business profile categories like home automation company. Add real job photos and customer FAQs to your Google business profile. Collect reviews that mention automation and smart home upgrades specifically. Google visibility wins when your offer matches buyer language. Stop trying to rank for electrical services when people are searching for smart thermostat installation. Next, you want to build partnerships with AV pros and interior designers. Smart home jobs often come through AV companies and designers, not Google searches. Create referral partnerships and co-branded flyers or landing pages. Offer to handle Electrical Plus smart home configuration in one package. Attend home shows and trade events to connect with these partners. Pitch it as a way for them to add value and markup to their services. They get to offer more comprehensive solutions. You get access to higher-end clients. Partnerships unlock higher-end installs with zero ad spend. While your competitors are fighting over the same Google leads, you're getting warm referrals from trusted sources. Next, sell home automation as a bundle, not a line item. What do I mean by that? You don't want to sell smart switches or thermostats individually like you're running a hardware store. Build a base package with 3 to 5 core features: lights, thermostat, scenes, app control. Upsell to premium, and in that premium package, you can include door locks, garage control, voice scenes, multi-zone lighting. And then you can create lifestyle packages for different personas. So for example, persona is being the category of your prospect or your customer. So you can include busy parents, tech lovers, or empty nesters. Make it easy to buy with fixed pricing, clear scope, and fast installation timelines. Bundle offers sell better and protect your margin. When you itemize everything, you're inviting price shopping. When you bundle solutions, you're selling transformation. Next, you want to use video reviews and live demos to build trust. Ask past clients to show their smart home on camera. Record a walkthrough video, Alexa, lights on, and show the system in action. Add video reviews to your website, Google business profile, and Facebook. Host virtual walkthrough sessions via Zoom or YouTube Live. Offer in-home consultations with demos, devices ready to show, not just tell. Showing beats telling every single time. I've said that several times during this video, but it's very important to understand that, especially with this type of service. Written testimonials are nice, but watching someone's face light up when they demonstrate their smart home system, that's marketing and advertising gold. Make it easy to say yes for your prospect with free assessments. Offer a free smart home readiness check with a proper checklist. Walk the homeowner through what they could automate and what it would cost. Leave behind a printed or digital proposal with optional packages. Use QR codes or tablets to demo how voice control would work in their space. Position yourself as their long-term smart home advisor, not just another contractor trying to get paid and leave. Give homeowners a vision, not a vague quote. When they can picture their life improving, price becomes less of an objection. So, where do we, Destiny Marketing Solutions, how do we fit into all of this? How do we help electricians get more home automation jobs? We create branded landing pages that rank and convert for home automation searches. We run ads targeting buyers researching smart devices, not just electrician near me. We set up social content systems that show off your work consistently. We build local partnerships to feed your pipeline with warm referrals. We help you package, price, and promote your offers so they sell transformation, not just installation services. You bring the technical skills, we'll bring the inbound leads and a marketing system that turns your expertise into premium pricing. We do this with our full circuit growth method. Our full circuit growth method helps electricians dominate high opportunity niches like home automation. From visibility to conversion, we build a digital foundation that turns your smart installs into a growth engine. We take you from a lack of qualified leads all the way to your dream outcome through getting found by the right customers, converting more leads into projects, and knowing what's working. Our first step is the full circuit growth audit. And with this audit, we ask you some honest questions. Questions like, do you have an automation page on your site? Are you still relying just on word of mouth for smart home jobs? Are you getting beat by do-it-yourself installers on Google and YouTube? Do you have a system for collecting home automation reviews? If not, let's fix that with a smart home growth plan tailored to your city. Book your full circuit growth audit now, and we'll take the lead. Hit that subscribe button if you want more strategies like this, as I share them weekly for electricians looking to win premium jobs while their competitors fight over scraps. We help electricians win in high-ticket home automation installs with the visibility, content, and conversion systems needed to lead the market. Book your full circuit growth audit at destinymarketingsolutions.com, or you can schedule directly through the link in the video description below. If you don't own this space, someone else will, so it might as well be you. And they're probably watching this video right now, getting ready to implement these strategies while you're still thinking about it. And to wrap up this video, here's an expert tip. Consider installing a demo smart lighting system in your office or home. And when you install this demo smart lighting system, you want to show it off everywhere you go. So it's like your case study. It's something that you can do at your office or your home. Use it in social videos, client walkthroughs, and local networking events. Include Powered by Lutron, Google Home, or similar branding in your signage. Host monthly smart home open houses. Record YouTube videos breaking down different components. This positions you as the expert. Make the invisible visible. That's how trust is built. Smart home jobs go to the professional who can demonstrate them best. When you can show instead of tell, you win. That's it. And this is Leonard Parker from Destiny Marketing Solutions. Stop leaving money on the table and start positioning yourself as a smart home expert your market needs.